back to my channel. For this turban, I've cut out 2 pieces of this stretch fabric. 1, 2, 19 inches by 7 inches, and I have 1 piece of this one, 10 inches by 3 inches, and I have my elastic band, 4 inches. Now I'm going to sew this part. And this part, sew, and this also sew. Now I'm done sewing. I'm going to turn them. Now I'm going to sew these parts and this. I've sewn this. Now for this, I'm going to hook my elastic band with this office pin and put it inside. Get another pin and secure this part. Now I'm going to sew here and here. Now I have this and this. So what we're going to do is pick one side of the elastic. Now you turn this like this, and you turn this like this. Then sew. After joining this, I'm going to turn it in like this. And we have our turban.